Hello students, today we'll be solving financial accounting for BCom first semester, and I'll be explaining all the questions from the last year's question paper, that is the question paper from 2025. Let us start with the first question. Name any two merits of single entry system. The two merits of of single entry system are simplicity and cost effectiveness. The single entry system is simple and it is easy to maintain. It is cost-effective option especially for small businesses or sole proprietors with simple transactions. Second question. All these questions will be for 2 marks each. Why total debtors account is to be prepared? So this question is from single entry system again, or it might be applicable for branch account also. So debtors account is prepared in order to find credit sales or to find cash received from debtors or to find the total debtors balance. Then third question. Give the meaning of head office. The main administrative center of a company is called as head office. A head office or corporate headquarters is the most important office of an organization where the central management and control are exercised. It is the principal place of business where key strategic and managerial decisions are made, and all other branches or local offices typically report back to it. Then, the fourth question. What are inter-branch transaction? Transaction between different branches of the same organization are called as inter-branch transactions. Inter-branch transactions involve the transfer of goods, services, or money between various branches or locations belonging to the same single business entity. Then, fifth question. Who is consignor and consignee? The two parties in consignment are called as consignor and consignee. The owner and the agent in a consignment system, the owner is called the consignor and the agent is called the consignee. In a in consignment arrangement, the consignor is the owner of the goods who sends them to an agent for the purpose of sale. The consignee is the person or entity who receives the goods and sells them behalf on the consignor in exchange for commission. The ownership of the goods remain with the consignor until they are sold to the final customer. Sixth question. Name any two non-recurring expenses. The non-recurring expenses are the expenses which will occur only once. So the answer for that is freight, octroi and carriage charges. Question number 7. What do you mean by copyright royalty? A payment made for the right to use a copyrighted work is called as copyright royalty. A copyright royalty is a periodic payment made by the user, that is a lessee or a publisher, to the owner or the creator, lessor or author of a copyrighted book, such as a book, musical composition or a photograph, in exchange for the right to use, publish or sell that work. The payment is typically based on the number of units produced or sold. Eighth question. What is short workings? This question is from royalty chapter. Answer: the difference when minimum rent exceeds actual royalty is called short workings. Short workings are also known as redeemable dead rent or royalty suspense. It is the amount by which the fixed minimum rent specified by the royalty agreement is greater than the actual royalty earned based on output or sales during a specific period. This deficit can be recouped by the lessee from future excess royalties within a stipulated time frame as per the agreement. Question number 9. What do you mean by interdepartmental transactions? The exchange of goods or services between departments within a single company are called as interdepartmental transactions. So this question is from departmental accounts. In that, if you are solving any problem in it, then you will have the entries like A to B, B to C. So those kind of transactions are called as interdepartmental transactions. Interdepartmental transactions involve the supply of transfer of goods, resources or services from one department to another within the same agreement, or sorry, within the same organization. These are internal transfers, not sale to the external parties. Then the last question, 10th question. What are departmental accounts? Accounts maintained maintained to track the performance of individual departments are called as departmental account. Departmental accounts are separate financial records like trading and profit and loss accounts maintained for each department within a business. The purpose is to ascertain the individual profitability, performance, and and efficiency of each department to help the management and to make informed decisions, allocate resources effectively, and compare the performance between the departments. So these are the 10 questions of 2 marks which were asked in the previous year's question paper. And in the next video, I'll be solving all the problems starting from section B from 5 marks. Please make sure to watch it. Thank you.